What's up, everybody? It's Novelty. Just cooking up something quick here. Using some leftovers. I had Chipotle earlier, and I cut up the remaining parts of the burrito and threw them in here with some sauteed onion, garlic, and green pepper. I also have some leftover salmon and kidney beans and mushrooms. I'm going to add these. So I added all those ingredients. Just stir it up here. It's going to be a nice little stir fry. And that's pretty much it, you know. Don't cook it too long. Just serve that into a bowl. And there you have it. You could eat this with a fork. You could eat it with a spoon. You could throw some extra sour cream or whatever on top of there to make if it's too dry for you, but it looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So stay tuned. For take three. So stay tuned for more episodes of Cooking with Novelty. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you have any suggestions for me to cook, let me know. Hope everyone has a great day.